Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we've got an essential accessory for ASUS laptop users. The SLRIOYS 180W20V9 AC Adapter. If you own an ASUS Rog Zephyrus or TUF gaming laptop, this one's for you. Stick around as we dive into the details of this powerful charger. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the package, you'll find the SLRIOYS 180W AC adapter and a USB-AC cord. This is a crucial accessory for those rocking ASUS gaming laptops. The SLRIOYS charger boasts impressive power specs. It accepts an input voltage ranging from 100 to 240 volts at 50 to 60 Hz and delivers an output of 20 volts at 9 amps, which sums up to a mighty 180 watts. But here's an important note. It's not compatible with certain ASUS chargers with higher wattage, so make sure to check your laptop's requirements. Now, let's talk about compatibility. This charger is a perfect match for several ASUS laptops, including the ROG Zephyrus G series and TUF series. Whether you're gaming on a Zephyrus GA502 or working on a TUF FX705, this charger has you covered. What sets this charger apart is its commitment to quality and safety. Before it reaches your hands, each charger undergoes rigorous technical inspections to ensure excellent performance and safety. It's built tough to withstand accidental falls, and it's equipped with a heat dissipation system to prevent overheating when operating at full power. Worried about overloading, short circuits, or overheating? Fear not. The built-in IC chip technology provides multiple layers of protection, ensuring your devices remain safe. You can charge your ASUS laptop with peace of mind. Here's more good news. With your purchase, you get a package that includes the 180W TUF charger and a USB-AC cord. Plus, there's a fantastic guarantee. Within 30 days of purchase, you can enjoy a no-questions-asked replacement or a full refund. And there's more. You also get a solid 365-day warranty guaranteed by the manufacturer. That wraps up our look at the SLRIOYS 180W20V9 AC adapter. If you own an ASUS gaming laptop, this accessory is a must-have. It's all about delivering the right power, ensuring safety, and providing peace of mind. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech insights. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, stay tuned for the latest in tech.